Welcome back. In this video we're going to see how this program from Paranoia works. Allows you to encrypt files and text on different devices, and it is cross-platform, which means it'll work on Windows, Mac and Linux. So the website is paranoiaworks.mobi, M-O-B-I. You can get it from there. The links will be in the description, and at the time of making the video, these are the links where you can get more about this program. It's also available for the Android version, which I've got, and I've got it on the Mac and I've got it on the Linux. Not on Windows, but it will work on Windows as well. So, further ado, this is the online version. But the online version only allows you to do AES, Advanced Encryption Standard format, and no other higher algorithm. So bear that in mind. You basically put your text in there, enter your password and encrypt it. And the video will demonstrate how that works and how you can use it. But just to bear that in mind for now. And the download section allows you to download it from the Android Play Store. From here, the links are in the download section. You can see it's available on the Google Play version, so you can do it from there. And there is a Pro version which uses higher algorithm, but I wouldn't bother with that. If you want to, it's the option is available for a small fee. The iOS and Mac OS downloads are here, and Windows from here, and Linux, this one, and it allows you to do both file encryption and text encryption, which is very good. On the multi-platform version, you can have this one for your Windows, Linux and Mac, and the other, as stated, using this zip file. For the Paranoia text encryption, it's the PTE, and the secret space encryption, that's for files and folders. And as I said, that's the online version. Have a look at the website for the options, and I'll minimize the video to show you how it works in action. So this is the Paranoia text encryption, which is a Java-based encryption, and as you can see, the algorithm is high at the moment at 448-bit, but you can select the AES bit version, so we'll leave that as it is. So basically you input your password. For this demo it's 1234. If you didn't do that, it'll hide it, so you've got to type it twice, but if you did that, you can only type it once, it appears. You put your unencrypted text in there, then you encrypt it and save it. And also what this program allows you to do is put a secret text behind an image called a Steganogram. So Steganogram, and then you can decrypt the image and reveal the hidden text. It's quite useful when you've got cards and secret crypto keys that you want to find what they were. You can add that text there. Also, it's used in that fashion. The other program is the file encryptor for PC, which will work on Mac, as explained before, Mac, Windows and Linux. And the combined option is also available in Linux. So for the demo, I've used the same password, and then what you do is drag and drop your images, files, and then folders, and it'll encrypt them. For example, if I have this screenshot, which is basically a screenshot of Paranoia Works, we'll use that as a demo. And if I then drag it into this file encryptor, it creates the file and creates a screenshot in the same folder, as you can see. And then when you want to decrypt it, you just put that back in there, and it'll create a copy of the decrypted file. When it encrypts it, it gives the ENC encryption at the end, as you can see. And then what we'll do is delete these two for now. And then on the other option, you can put secret text. You can have anything you like here. Text, your imagination, it's your choice. And if you encrypt it, it encrypts it like so. And bear that in mind, it's Blowfish, this one, 448-bit. Then what this program allows you to do is you can save it by right-clicking in this red box area and save as. And then it defaults to this folder, which when you download the program, it'll create that folder. And then I can then put down whatever you want to call it, a text file. This is for this purpose, test, and save it. Now when you clear that, to reveal that text again, you just right click on that, load it, click on the text, open it, and then it's in the encrypted format. Because you've got the password in there, you can then decrypt it. And there's your hidden text. Now if you clear that, if you add the image to encrypt it, it won't let you do it unless you put some secret information there. So let's try that. So there's no text. That's what happens. So if I again put down secret message, right, exclamation mark, then use the screenshot or image, click on it, it reveals it from there, and that's the image I'm using, the screenshot I showed you earlier. Continue, I'll leave everything as it is, it works fine. And then it does its processing and leaves that as a Steganogram. Steganogram basically is secret message behind an image. Now, if you clear that, then you select the decrypt from the Steganogram and select the image, which it gives it the F5 at the end when it's encrypted, and the other head is not revealed. So that's good. So it only reveals the encrypted one, provided you got the password in there, and then you can select it. So when you select the Steganogram, which is the hidden text image, it reveals a secret message. So if you go back to the Steganogram, there's no difference in the image, the original image, and you can even see the encrypted image with the secret text, but you can't see the text. So that's how that works. And if you did use a wrong password, or if you did that, for example, it would not let you do it. So if I did that, select the encrypted because it's highlighted, it says incorrect password or invalid Steganogram. So that's pretty good. That's how this works. And yeah, there's more about it on the website. But just to show you that if you did do the text, now if I go back to the text part and load it, right click, select the test one, and it reveals the encryption, then you decrypt that, and there's your secret message. If I did that in, copy that, in the online version, so if you go back to the online version, and then paste it in there, because as I explained, this is AES only, no other algorithm, high algorithm, the advanced encryption standard. If you did put the password in there and then try to decrypt that, because that was a higher algorithm, the Blowfish, it won't work. It says Blowfish is unsupported, only AES algorithm only on this online one. But if you did go back to your text one and change that to AES, and then encrypt it, and then select that. Obviously, I won't save this for the demo. I'll just copy it to demo it, and then put that in there instead. Now it'll reveal the text on the online version. So if I did that, decrypt, and you can see it's there. Well, that's how that works. And again, you can use the same text. If I close that, you can copy this text from the folder into the MTE folder, MTPFE folder on your mobile phone or another platform, Linux. This will open as explained with these two systems. So you can have a PTE or Paranoia text encryptor on Linux and enter the password and then copy it there or load it if you've had it in the file in the right folder, it'll work. For example, if I did Steganogram, which is that one, in this program, you can then encrypt that and it's done it like so. So you've got the encrypted file in this file encryptor and the whole folder is encrypted. If I now put that back in here, it'll decrypt it and it gives it that folder with the two images. So yeah, great little program. Have a play around with it. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching and bye for now.